बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। फ्रेंड्स, आज के सेशन में हम डिस्कस करेंगे व्हाट आर द ऑब्जेक्टिव्स ऑफ ऑब्जर्वेबिलिटी। वीडियो की तरफ बढ़ने से पहले हमारी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। चलिए आज के सेशन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। द ऑब्जर्वेबिलिटी ऑफ अ क्लाउड कंप्यूटिंग environment is not a goal of its own. It should be seen as necessary step toward achieving key business objectives. The goal of the developing observability is to enable security analysis, IT operators and managers to better understand and address the problems in the system that could negatively impact the businesses. There are three key objectives associated with developing the observability of the cloud computing networks. Number one, reliability. Reliability is one of the first goal of observability. If we want to build an IT infrastructure that functions in a reliable way and according to the needs of the customer, we need to measure its performances. With an observability platform's software tool, we can monitor user behaviors, network speed, system availability, capacity, and other metrics to ensure the system is performing as it should. Security and compliances. The observability of the cloud computing environments is of the utmost importance to organizations with regularity or compliances requirements to secure the sensitive data against the improper exposure. With full visibility into the cloud computing environment through event logs, organizations can detect the potential instructions, security threats, and attempted brute force or DDoS attack before the attackers can complete the attack and steal data. Then third one is revenue growth. Businesses can drive revenue growth with network observability. The ability to analyze the events on the network can yield valuable information about users' behavior and how they may be affected by the underlying variable like applications format, availability, speed, and others. This data can be analyzed to develop the actionable insights on how to optimize the network and applications to generate more revenue from the customers and attract new ones. Optimize your cloud observability with Sumo Logic. Observability of the cloud computing platform depends on your ability to capture logs, metrics, and traces, process them into a useful format, and parse the data to discover the useful insights. Sumo Logic's cloud native platform is all-in-one solutions for the observability of the cloud computing environments. With Sumo Logic, your IT organizations can aggregate log files, metrics, and traces, evaluate network performances against the most critical KPIs, and again the insight and network visibility need to meet your business objectives for system reliability, security, and customer satisfaction. Three data formats of the observability events: logs, metrics, and traces. The keys to achieving true observability of the IT infrastructure and cloud computing environments is not the event logs themselves. Rather, it is the capability of monitoring and analyzing those events along with KPIs and other data that drive the observability and yield actionable insights. IT organizations can implement the observability platform software tools that streamline the aggregation and analysis of the event logs. A cloud computing environment generates data in three formats that can be aggregated and analyzed to enhance the network observability: event, logs, metrics, and traces. So friends, ये था हमारा आज का सेशन। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।